Dear God, I don't ask you to make my life easier, but I ask you to give me strength to face all my troubles. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's talk about this quote. This quote reflects a humble and resilient mindset in prayer. Instead of asking for an easy life or for troubles to disappear, that speaker is requesting strength from God to face challenges with courage and perseverance. It suggested a belief that difficulties are a part of life and what is the most needed is inner strength and endurance to handle them, rather than avoiding or removing them. This perspective promotes personal growth, resilience, and reliance on faith during tough times. This quote also reflects a deep sense of maturity and acceptance of life realities. It suggested that the speaker understands that challenges are inevitable and form part of personal development. By asking for strength instead of an easier path, that speaker demonstrates a readiness to learn from adversity and trust in their own ability with divine help to overcome difficulties. This mindset aligns with the idea that struggles often lead to growth, wisdom, and a deeper connection to one's faith or purpose. Instead of seeking to avoid problems, the focus is on building resilience, showing that strength, not ease, is what ultimately helps one thrive through life's trials. Building further on this idea, the quote also emphasizes the value of self-reliance in the face of difficulties while recognizing the role of faith or divine guidance. By seeking strength rather than ease, the speaker acknowledges that growth comes from confronting challenges head-on. This approach encourages personal responsibility and active problem solving rather than passively waiting for life to improve. It highlights a belief that enduring and overcoming hardships strengthens character. Instead of fearing difficulties, that speaker is asking for the inner fortitude to navigate them, trusting that each obstacle serves a greater purpose in journey. In this way, the quote speaks to both humility and empowerment. Humility is accepting life challenges and empowerment in asking for the strength to face them with grace. Thanks for watching.